Create 5 shimmering lip balms. Jumpstart your own line of signature lip balms with the award-winning Layered Lip Balm set from Just My Style. Find your flavor. Strawberry, tropical fruit, berry, mix-match 3 fun flavors with sparkling lip shimmer to create your own signature blends. Personalize it. After filling each tube with layers of flavor, label each colorful tube with a unique name. It makes the perfect handmade gift. Easy fun. Soon-to-be cosmetic developers will love creating their own lip balms. It's as simple as mix, layer, flavor. We respect our furry friends. Everything included in this nail art set has been designed with vegan-friendly formulas and clean beauty ingredients free from parabens, phthalate, and harsh chemicals. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. They are excellent for the activities of the little ones. The smells are rich and the consistency is good of the mix. It is a little work, but it is very nice to finish and they work quite well.